Om dear ones. I say Hari Om instead of saying Namaste because Hari Om is actually a way of greeting the integrated consciousness. Recognizing the single integrated consciousness in me and in you and around the whole cosmos is the Hari Om consciousness. So when you say Hari Om, your individual consciousness will be well integrated with the whole cosmos. Because you are into various businesses, you are into various professions, and you have various relations in the world, you will be able to effectively work with all those people when you are integrated well with the whole cosmos. So, the Creator, who is the cosmic consciousness, has been managing the whole creation for so many years, for millions and millions of years, and he's been so successfully, effectively and efficiently managing the whole creation without any break. It shows the kind of expertise, the kind of skills, the kind of creative strategies and the kind of intentions he has and the kind of objectives he has to run this whole show. And he has unlimited cosmic energies to manage all this whole show, and he has a cosmic management team working under him to manage this whole show of the creation. Now human consciousness is ready to evolve involuntarily, effortlessly evolving by mind, by consciousness, and that will help you to evolve and progress materialistically in your lives. Whatever the businesses you are doing, whatever the professions you are into, whatever the works you do in your life, you will be able to excel in all those aspects of life by getting the cosmic energies from the cosmic creator. Religions call this cosmic creator as God, but I call this cosmic creator as cosmic CEO, who effectively manages the whole creation. So as part of my campaign of involuntary evolution of human consciousness, I have written this book called The Monk CEO. The supernatural power or the God or the cosmic CEO of this whole creation. He mainly works with business entrepreneurs or CEOs and federal administrators, political leaders, politicians and spiritual leaders and spiritual gurus and all. These are the four main segments of the society, human society he works with. He is already working with all these four segments of human consciousness. He is part of his management strategy. So he is already closer to all these four segments of humans in the world. But due to the negativity in them and due to not being able to tune to the frequency of the cosmic CEO, they are not able to perfectly work in their fields and prosper. The cosmic CEO works with all these four segments of people to keep the dharma, law of nature, in order in the whole cosmos. So as part of his management strategy, he works with all these four segments of segments of human consciousness. So the monk CEO helps you tune to the frequency of the cosmic consciousness, and then you can maximum make use of his expertise, his technologies and the cosmic energies, and also you can make use of the team members of his cosmic management team. So all those things you will be able to understand, and you will even be able to know the method of tuning to his frequency and adopt the involuntary way of evolution to experience maximum prosperity in your life. If you are a CEO or an entrepreneur, this book is meant for you. You will be able to understand the whole technology of the cosmos in this book, and you will be given certain methods and techniques to tune to the frequency of the cosmic creator or the cosmic CEO. By doing that, you will be able to gain the cosmic energies, and you will be able to effectively and efficiently manage your businesses. This book, Monk CEO, will give you a different understanding about the structure of your business and its objectives, and the objectives of entrepreneur or the CEO. If you are interested, you can check this book out. It's available on Indian web stores, also on most of the international online stores. Hari Om.
Vande Vishnum Bhava